Nature is the fundamental source of life and is indispensable for human survival. It provides essential necessities such as food, water, and clean air while directly impacting our health and well-being. Furthermore, it plays a critical role in maintaining biodiversity and combating climate change by sustaining ecosystem balance. Living in harmony with nature and utilizing its resources sustainably are vital for both humanity and the planet's future. Conscious environmental conservation efforts can help us better understand the strength and significance of nature, allowing us to pass on these values to future generations.